Hey, what's going on YouTube? If you're new to the channel, my name is D and I represent New Touch Auto. What I got for you in this video is something that's real special to me because it's coming from the heart. Statement t-shirts. Yeah, these are statement t-shirts for all my vinyl rappers, my automotive painters, my people who love cars, trucks, SUVs, anything to that nature. We got you covered. Because a lot of times you go out here in these streets and people see your vehicle and all the work you put into it, they don't understand. But you can make a statement by purchasing one of these t-shirts. What I'll be doing is explaining everything in the video. You can see some of the t-shirts we have available. If you like them and you want to purchase them, check them out at newtouchauto.com. You can order yours up and we'll ship it out to you fast as possible. Now this t-shirt here is an example. This represents the vinyl rappers. Practice safe painting, wrap it up. How many of y'all out there understand that? That means if you paint a vehicle, normally you have to use paint, whether it's removable paint or permanent paint. But guess what? The fumes are in the air. For my vinyl rappers, y'all understand because you don't have to worry about those fumes because you practice safe painting. You wrapped it up. Perfect statements, man. Thank y'all for checking out this video, but guess what? We got a lot of other options also on the website. So if you like something and you want to order it up, go ahead and order it. We'll ship it to you ASAP. Thank y'all for checking out this video. Check out the merchandise that we have available. Thank y'all.
We've got something to share. We're really proud of our product and are excited to make it available on our website. Check it out now.